Today we are going to discuss keyword. Static keyword is very helpful in Java programming language. So we will try to understand what does static keyword mean, and also we will have a practical on it to explain it in a better way. So let's see over here. What is written over here? Static. It is a very important keyword as it helps in memory management. What does memory management means? Memory management means when we declare something as a static, there is only one copy of it and it can be used within the class as well as outside the class. Actually, static acts like a global variable. When we define something as a static, it is not directly attached with that class only. It means we can call it outside the class as well. And how we can call it? We can call it without creating the object of the class. This is a very important aspect of static keyword. So let's try to understand static keyword with the help of one example. So here is a Eclipse IDE, and now I am going to create one class where we will perform the static. Okay, so here is a package, and the package name is oops dot static. Okay, I have created the package oops.static, and here is a class name is let's begin. Class name is let's, and I have declared public static void main as well. Now this is the main class. As you can see, this is the main class. And remember one thing, we cannot declare main class as a static. Okay, see, um, now let's have a practice of the program. I have declared one variable int n. Okay, and this is the main method where I will try to call it. For calling this int n variables, we have to create the object of class let's. Let's create the object of class let's, and we have written a dot n is equal to 50, and now we have to print the value a dot n. Okay, and now we will try to run this. Yeah, you can see over here is a 50, but our motive is to print it without creating the object. As you can see here, I have created the objects for printing the value of the n, but we will try to create it. Sorry, we will try to print the value of the n without creating any object. For that, we have to declare this as a static. This is the feature static holds. And when we declare it as a static, we don't need to create the objects. Let's comment it of these objects, and we will call it just by giving the value n is equal to 50, and this will print it. Okay, so you can see here this is a 50 value as printed 50. So this is the very important features of the static holds. It means when we declare something as a static, we don't need to create the object. Actually, it acts like a global variable. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment it below and let me know so that I can resolve your problem.